Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix your require permission from system to make changes to this folder Windows level. In this video seeing before you begin, like and comment this video and subscribe to support my YouTube channel. In these steps, one by one follow to this problem fix it. Let's go ahead that first step, restart. Simply we can try these two steps, this problem fix it. Then let's go ahead the first step, restart. So go to the start menu and click on the power button and choose the restart button clicker to restart your system. Then go to the next step, access permission. So for this, go to the your game file or folder, find out and select and right click. Then click on the properties. Then go to that security tab. Then below click on the advanced option. Then click to then you come to the new tab, then click here the change, then you get the new tab, then click on the advanced, then you can click on the find now and scroll down, you can come to below, then scroll down, find everyone and select, click on the ok. After that again click on the ok, then select the replace owner subcontainers and object. Then below come to select the replace all child object permission entries. Then hit the apply. Confirmation yes click to hit the OK. Again hit the OK. After that confirmation OK to close it. Then go to the start menu and click on the power button and choose the restart button clicker to restart your system. Then your problem should be fixed. If you have any doubt, comment section go to comment. I will reply. If this method working or not working, comment section go to comment. And don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel. And don't forget like and comment. Thanks for watching.